Watching the Weather by Edna Eckert.
It's a non-fiction book.
It has a table of contents.
On the back, there is a bunch of other books that you can check from the library.
If you listen carefully, you can take a quiz.
Watching the Weather. This is the table of contents.
Today the weather is warm. The sun is bright.
Look at the sky. The weather is changing.
Dark clouds are moving above us. They block the sun. There will be a storm soon.
The dark clouds bring rain. The wind blows too.
There is lightning during the storm.
After the storm, the sky clears. We can see the sun again.
The air is cooler after the storm.
Some people study the weather. They look at pencils, pictures that show how the clouds are moving.
People who study the weather are on the news. They tell us that the weather will be like tomorrow. The weather is fun to watch.
Look here to find new words and find out more.
Hope you enjoy the story. Oh man, it's raining. Now we can go outside and play at recess. Yeah, but rain is actually good for us though. Yeah, let's talk about why it's good for us. Rain is really good for animals.
Rain makes water for them to drink.
Rain is also good for plants. Rain needs water to grow.
We need plants for food. We need plants for oxygen.
Rain is part of the water cycle. When the clouds get heavy, the rain falls out.
Sometimes it's fun to play in the rain, but you have to wear your Rainbow City rain jackets because you don't want to get sick.
I guess it's good that it's raining after all. Yeah. Just sing in the rain. Just sing in the rain. The glorious feeling I'm happy again.
Just singing and dancing in the rain.
We are going to be reading about Rainy Days by Jennifer S. Burke. This is a non-fiction book that's filled with information or true facts. This is available at the Mary B. Austin Library.
After the title page comes the table of contents. The table of contents tells you about the facts and some of the things that might be in the book.
End of the book, there are new words
to be found in vocabularies at the end of the book. There's also indexes at the end of the book. These are some other weather-related titles in these series. These teach you a lot about weather, and they will teach you a lot and get you interested in watching the Weather Channel, meteorologists, and probably getting the job.
Rainy Days by Jennifer S. Burke. Rainy Days. The table of contents. Today it is raining. The sky is gray. Raining days are not very bright outside.
Even on rainy days, I go outside.
I wear my raincoat outside. I also wear my rubber boots. The rain falls on my coat.
I like to reach out my hand and feel the rain. The raindrops splash against my palm. Rain makes my hands all wet.
In the car, I look out the window. The raindrops slide down the window. My mom turns on the wipers. They wipe away the rain. Now she can see clearly.
We go shopping at the mall. My mother buys a new umbrella.
When we get home, it is still raining. I like to play with puzzles on rainy days.
Sometimes after it rains, the sun comes out. All the green leaves and bushes are bright.
Check out the vocabulary list at the end. Here are some other places that you can find out more.
Last but not least, this is the index.
We hope you enjoy the book.
Somewhere out there, the sun is shining on a puddle, and that's what we just call the water cycle.
Water from a little puddle turns to gas, evaporation. The gas forms into puffy clouds, condensation. The clouds get heavy and the rain pours down. Precipitation and more puddles on the ground. Oh, the water cycle round and around. Vapor goes up and the rain comes down. Water in the sky, ocean in the ground. It's all in a cycle going round and round.
My name is Zaire and I play the sun.
My name is Lita and I play the water. My name is Damon and I play the evaporation. My name is Caitlin and I play condensation. My name is McKenna and I play precipitation.
The water cycle goes around and around.
Today we are going to learn about wind. What is wind? Air in motion.
Air in motion.
Two things to direct at wind: speed and direction. Wind can be very powerful.
Wind can give hurricane tornadoes their strength.
If there's a fire in the forest, wind is what moves it along. Wind can be very slow. Wind can also be very fast.
to blow. The air is what makes the wind blow. We're gonna act like an air moves.
The sun shines down on the earth.
The rock, grass, and water all absorbs the heat in different ways. The hot air rises up in the air.
And the cold air blows into to take its place.
You can't see the wind, but you can feel it blow your hair.
When air is moving, it is awesome.
We created a story about when a tornado comes.
It's a beautiful day outside today.
I don't think so because the clouds are gray. Me too. Look.
It's kind of getting chilly out here.
Everybody, it's time to come in. There's a bad tornado coming. What do we do? We're scared. You go down to the floor, put your squat down, put your head, hands over your head. Face the wall, Jack, please. Other way. Now all we do is just wait a couple of minutes. Okay. It's safe to come up, everybody. Let's go. Good job for doing the tornado drill. 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 And last of all, I made it too. Don't be scared if there's a tornado drill. Get in your safety position.
Hey, child, how are you doing today? Good. We're having a debate on the weather. Will you choose for us? Sure. Well, let's have a seat. First, we're going to hear from Mrs. Sunny.
I am Mrs. Sunny. Sunny weather feels awesome. You could play outside all day long. Don't you love the feeling on the warm sun on your skin? If you choose me, you have gorgeous sun days every day.
Well, what did you think of Mrs. Sunny?
Well, I would like to feel the warm sun on my skin.
Well, that was some good points, but now let's hear from Brother Cloudy.
I am Brother Cloudy. You should choose me because I can make gorgeous clouds in the sky. Have you ever seen a sunset on a cloudy evening? It makes beautiful colors. Clouds are just fun and you know it. Choose me, Brother Cloudy, for your weather for the rest of the year.
What did you think about Brother Cloudy?
Well, I would like to see the clouds change shapes every day.
Well, now let's hear from Mr. Stormy.
I am Mr. Stormy. I'm in charge of the powerful weather, like tornadoes, hurricanes, thunderstorms. I make the other weather look weak. You better pick me or else you'll regret it.
Ooh, what did you think about Mr. Stormy?
Well, that was pretty intense, but that would be really cool.
Well, now let's hear from Sister Snowy.
I'm Sister Snowy. Choose me as your weather. You'll ice skate, have a snowball fight, and make a snowman. And you can lay down and make snow angels in the snow.
Choose Sister Snowy for your weather, please. It will be winter and snowy.
Well, what did you think about Sister Snowy?
Well, I would like to make snow angels in the snow, and it really would be really cool to like throw snowballs.
Well, she had some good points, but now which one will you choose? Remember, which one you ever choose, it'll be the one for the rest of the year.
Pick me, Mrs. Sunny. Pick me, Brother Cloudy. Pick me, Mr. Stormy. Pick me, Sister Snowy.
After lots of time thinking, I picked all of them.
Well, you're saying you want all of the weather?
Well, all of the weather makes the whole year complete.
Enjoy the weather!
How can you be prepared when a hurricane comes?
You've got to make sure you have a safe place to stay or a relative to stay with. If you don't have a place to stay, there might be a shelter nearby. But if you can't get to the shelter, you might have to leave town.
Before the storms hit, you got to make sure your home is ready. You need to board up your windows, lock the door, and pick up the yard. You need to take care of people that can't take care of themselves, like old people and pets, and disabled people. You know the storm is coming for days, so go ahead and buy your supplies early. There might be no power after a hurricane, so you need food that doesn't need to be refrigerated. There might be not clean water out of your faucet, so you need bottles of water so there is clean water. Get flashlight and batteries, because when the powers go out and when the sun goes down, you can't see in the dark. You need gas up your car because it might take days before you get new gas. I hope a hurricane never come to Mobile. If it does, all the Mobile Austin students are gonna know what to do.
Today we're gonna teach you thunder and lightning.
Sometimes lightning can go from cloud to cloud. Sometimes lightning can go cloud to the ground. And that can be dangerous.
Lightning is extremely hot.
When lightning hits sand, it makes it turn into glass.
Lightning is dangerous, so you better go inside. If you riding your bike or playing golf, you immediately go inside. Don't take a chance you could get struck.
Lightning travels fast through water, so get out of the pool fast and get inside. You can have lightning without thunder. You cannot have thunder without lightning.
Thunder sounds loud and it can be frightening.
When lightning
hits the ground and air travels, and it rushes in very fast. It makes a boom like a speedboat motor starting. That is thunder. It's the cold air rushing in to fill where that hot air was.
Yeah.
Let's listen again. I know it sounds scary, but don't be frightened. We can use thunder as a tool.
If you see lightning flash, count the second, and then you'll know how far away it is from you.
Rain is an important part of life, and we can't help to have lightning and thunder sometimes.
Try to be brave.
Thunder Cake is available in our library. It's about a little girl who learns to be brave in a thunderstorm. Check it out.
I hope we learn a lot about lightning and thunder.
Be safe. Bye.
This is the book of Hot Days, and this is the book that we are going to be reading about.
This is a nonfiction book. That means it's filled with information.
This book is available in our Mary B. Austin library. It does have a table of contents to show you all the information. These are some other Twitter things that we have in the library.
This is Hot Days by Jennifer S. Burke. And this is the table of contents.
The sun is out today. The air feels hot. It's going to be a hot day today.
On hot days, I like to try and stay cool. Sometimes on hot days, I go to the beach. I wear my bathing suit and a t-shirt. I wear flip-flops on my feet to keep them cool. We stick a beach umbrella in the sand. Beach towels protect us from the hot sand. I stay cool in the shade under the umbrella. I drink lots of cold water on hot days. Water keeps my body cool.
The beach is where many people come on hot days. A lot of people are in the water today.
Hot days make me sweat. My skin is all wet. Sweat helps my body to stay cool on hot days.
Sometimes hot days bring a hot breeze. A hot breeze on a hot day makes me even hotter. There are other ways to stay cool on hot days. I like to run through our sprinkler in the yard. I can't feel the heat under the cold water. Some hot days are too hot to go outside. Then I stay inside and read a book. The air conditioner keeps me very cool.
We hope you enjoyed this story.
Excuse me, child, we need your help.
What do you need?
The royal seasons are having a debate. No, we need you to choose the best one. Which season is the best?
I can help.
Come this way. We will hear first from the Queen of Winter.
Winter is clearly the best season. Just look around you at all the beautiful snow. In winter, you can snuggle and drink hot chocolate. I know that you wish it was winter all year long.
Well, what do you think?
I think she have a point. I love chocolate and marshmallows.
In the winter, it's beautiful.
Yes, I agree.
Now let's hear from the Princess of Spring.
I'm the Princess of Spring. Spring is a beautiful season where flowers bloom. New baby animals are going to be born. Beautiful colors are everywhere again. Don't you wish it was spring all year?
What do you think of the Princess of Spring argument?
I think I like it. I like baby owls in colors.
Yeah, that is a good point.
Spring is a lovely season.
Well, let's give summer a chance. Now let's hear from the King of Summer.
Summer weather is hot. You can go swimming. You can play at the beach. Summer weather is meaning you out of school. I know you love the summer the best. Don't you wish it was summer all year long?
What do you think the King of Summer? Should it be summer all year?
I think I like summer with some lovely trees.
And you can go swimming.
It was a good point.
But we still need to hear from the Princess of Fall.
I am the Princess of Fall. Fall weather is perfect. Don't you like the chilly air? You're not getting hot and sweaty every day or more. Plus the leaves are so beautiful on the trees. I know you should choose to pick fall all year long.
What did you think of the Princess of Fall?
I think I like it with autumn with weather.
Yeah, the weather does feel good.
The leaves are beautiful colors.
You're right. So which season should we pick for the whole year? You have to choose.
What a hard decision.
Pick winter because Christmas is in the winter. Pick spring because Easter's in spring.
Pick summer because it's 4th of July and you can see the sparks in the sky.
Pick fall. You'll have Thanksgiving and Halloween.
It's gonna be.
After much thought, I have decided I like them all.
You mean you want to keep all 4 seasons with it?
Yes. A year is completed when you get experiment. All the seasons.
Great, Joyce.
Enjoy the seasons!
Hey guys,
Hey.
our project's due today. Did everybody do their part?
I did. I gave mine to Piper.
I did too.
Sure, I have it here, right, guys?
Clouds are a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small and light they float in the air.
How are clouds formed? All air contains water. When warm air rises, it expands and cools. Cool air can't hold as much water vapor as warm air, so some of the vapor condenses onto tiny pieces of dust floating in the air. When billions of these droplets come together, they become a cloud you can see.
The clouds reflect the light of the sun. Light is made up of all the clouds
Colors.
of the rainbow, and then you add them all together, you get white.
Turns clouds gray. If the clouds get thick enough or high enough, all the light doesn't get through, so it looks dark or gray. Also, some thick clouds cast shadows on lower clouds, adding to the darkness. Guys, this is going to be great. Our teacher's going to love it.
What's the weather like today, guys? Not a cloud in the sky. Hey, looks like a cloudy day.
How will we learn about clouds today?
Nimbus clouds are dark, gray, heavy. They bring rain, snow, hail, lightning, even tornadoes. Cirrus clouds are white, wispy, usually have ice crystal. They are high, usually indicates and change in the weather scene.
Cumulus clouds are fluffy like cotton balls, white or gray, lower in the sky. They form in groups. If you have cumulus clouds on a warm, sticky morning, you might have thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Stratus clouds is a cloud that covers the whole entire sky. And sometimes a drizzle comes. And sometimes grayish and white. Today we have stratus clouds.
This book is available from the library. It's called It Looked Like Spilt Milk by Charles G. Shaw. Sometimes it just looked like spilt milk, but it was just a cloud. I hope you check it out, because you will like it. Stratus, Cirrus,
Cumulus.
Nimbus. Clouds are cool.
I'm a snake and I'm ready to go hibernate.
Squirrel, and I'm gathering nuts for the winter.
My goodness, I see geese flying south for the winter.
Preston. Today we are going to read the book Watching the Seasons. It is written by Adana Eddert.
Did you know this book is in our school library?
We hope you have a good time. We hope you like the book.
Watching the Seasons by Adana Eddert.
This is the table of contents. It tells us what is in the book. There are 4 seasons of each year. The first season of the year is winter. The weather is very cold in the winter. In some places it snows.
Spring starts after winter. It gets warmer in the spring. Flowers bloom and plants grow in the spring.
Summer comes after spring. It gets hot in the summer. In the summer, the sun stays up in the sky later. People play outside more.
Fall comes after summer. The weather begins to get cooler. The leaves on the trees change color in the fall. The leaves turn yellow, orange, and red. At the end of fall, winter starts again. The 4 seasons are beautiful to watch. The end.
We are about to go into fall. We're going to tell you what you need so you'll be prepared. Instead of seeing all green, we now see orange, yellow, brown, and sometimes purple.
In fall, you'll start seeing that the leaves start falling.
You start to have to wear your uniform back in the fall because you're going back to school. It gets chilly in the fall, so you should wear longer pants and maybe a light jacket. In fall, now you know what to be prepared for, because now you know what to wear. Following fall, we move into winter. During the winter, the nights get longer and the weather gets colder and the wind blows harder. On December 25th, we celebrate Jesus' birthday every winter. During the winter, you have to wear warm clothes like a hat, a scarf, and gloves.
You're going to have to wear a thick jacket and maybe a hood in winter.
During the winter, it is fun to snuggle and drink hot chocolate. In winter, it might snow a lot. In the upper country, upper states, not that much in both states. But we hope this year in Mobile there will be snow. After winter, we move into spring. This spring, a lot of flowers go and the weather gets warmer. You can put your heavy jacket up and wear a light sweater again.
In the spring, you're going to want pants, but also just pay attention because it's going to get a lot hotter soon.
Spring is a season of flowers, new growth, and new life.
follows spring. And guess what happens in summer?
In summer, the lights are so bright you have to wear a hat, or that kind of hat. Really, you need to protect your skin and your eyes with a hat and sunglasses. A lot of people go to the beach and the pool because it's hotter and it's warmer to where swim practice starts, soccer sometimes starts, and we have a great time and we go swimming in the pool.
People wear bathing suits, flip-flops, and shorts in summer because it is very hot. And we all love summer because we get a break from school.
Now I hope you know how to dress appropriately in all 4 seasons.